Hello class. Today is the day 7 for your first week, and I wanted to touch bases with you on the process that I've noticed this week. As you can see here from your activities from this week, you have to excuse me, I've been to the dentist today, so I might sound a little different. So just be patient with me. Here you had to post your introduction, which was on the first day. And at the bottom, it tells you here that you have to respond to 3 peer responses for the introduction. But when you go to the discussion, you're only required to do 2. So from this point on, you'll only be required to do 2 peer responses per discussion. Because I noticed some of you continued on with the 3 pattern for your discussion as well. And your waypoint assignment for your journal entry is due today by midnight. So those peer responses in the journal entry are what's due by midnight, as well as completing your LCI. Very important that you complete your LCI because you will need the information for next week's discussion and assignments. So I'm going to start grading those after this video. Start grading some of your discussion who have the 2 peer responses already completed. I'll start grading that. So let's go ahead and look into what's going to be taking place in week 2. So here's week 2. So you see it starts on tomorrow, Tuesday. It's your day 1, and it goes till next Monday. So you have your quizzes to complete. You're going to have a discussion post to do on your learning patterns, which is why I said it's very important that you complete your LCI today, because you're going to need that for your Thursday assignment. You have your grammar quiz, and you have an assessment to take on the patterns of your learning, and then you'll have a reflection piece where you'll journal your mindset. So that's going to be the activities for the upcoming week. Other than the 3 peer responses for the discussions, there wasn't that many that were late, which is a good start to the course. Is when you have people posting on time. Good discussions. Make sure that when you're posting, and I put a lot of notes in, that you are 250 words as a minimum. You can write as much as you want, but there's a minimum of 250. And when you're responding to each other, you have to do so with a minimum of 50 words. So it's been great reading through the introductions and responding to each and every one of you to let you know that I know that you're here. This is a new experience, so don't get discouraged. Use your resources. Make connections with others in the course to encourage you to stay on the path to completion. Until next week.